Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the pattern and fabric ready. Start by placing the garment on a flat surface and aligning grain lines. You will mark the original dart apex, then measure and mark the new half-length point along the center line. This shortens the intake without changing overall shaping. Once done, make sure to transfer the leg notches to both fabric layers and clip a small notch at the half-length point for pivoting. You do this so the seam will fold cleanly and the fullness distributes evenly. You will pin the dart precisely so both fabric layers match at the legs and the new half-length apex aligns. This prevents twisting. Start stitching from the wider dart leg toward the shortened apex, keeping even stitch length and easing fabric so there are no puckers. Once you reach the half-length point, taper gradually and finish with a few tiny backstitches or a knot to lock the seam without bulk. Then press the dart toward the garment center. Pressing flattens and sets the shape for a professional finish. You will trim or grade the seam allowances to reduce bulk, especially near the new half-length apex. Once trimmed, try the garment on or baste in place to observe how the shortened dart effects fit. Make sure the apex lies smoothly without visible tucks. If the apex pulls or gaps, carefully lengthen the dart a little or redistribute fullness by clipping and resewing. If puckering appears, re-ease the stitch line or press with a damp cloth. This fixes tension and smooths fabric for the final appearance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.